Losing all I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Yes, y'all can tell by the title, by the thumbnail, we are doing another lip gloss video. And y'all, this was requested. Y'all like the lip gloss video, so you know I gotta bring what y'all like, you know. So I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be making some trial fall glosses. So if you like it, let me know. If you don't, I don't really want to hear it, but no, I'm just kidding. All feedback is good feedback. So thank you guys so much for entering into the giveaway. If you haven't already entered into the giveaway, I will link the video down in the description box, and you can go watch that video and see what you need to do in order to win some free glosses. I will be giving away 3 glosses and a mystery gift if I feel generous. But yeah, y'all, I'll be giving away 3 of my glosses. And yeah, y'all, if y'all want to win some free glosses, then y'all go watch that video and see what you got to do in order to be entered into the giveaway. I do want to say this. If you guys if you guys commented on my last video and you wanted to be entered into the giveaway, you must include the hashtag 1K giveaway, or I would not consider you to be into the giveaway. So just throwing it out there. But yeah, I just want to make a couple disclaimers that in this video, I'm not making lip glosses for my business. The lip glosses I made in this video is strictly for myself. It's just for testing purposes. It's just to see if I like the way the color comes out, or if I like the consistency of it. I do this with all my glosses. I make test glosses. So yeah, the tubes I'm using, these are not tubes that I will be selling. These are just tubes that I use as testing. So I keep those here. I test them out. I use them on myself. So that's why I don't have on gloves in this video. I'm not wearing a face mask, and you can't see my face anyway when I make lip gloss videos because I always do voiceovers, but I'm not wearing a mask. I don't have on gloves. And yeah, I'm sorry about my hand situation. That's another thing. One of my hands is done, but the other one is not. That's because I have filmed a video of me doing those nails, but I didn't upload that yet. So yeah, so if you're wondering, that's what the disclaimer is. So I'm not wearing gloves because this is not for my business. It's for strictly my own purposes. So don't come for me in the comments. I mean, you need to wear gloves. I'm sanitary, okay? So don't come for me. And also, my hands, don't come for me with my nails because I know one hand is done, one hand is not, and it was only for video purposes only. But you guys haven't saw that video yet, so don't come for me once again. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna quit rambling, and I'm gonna let y'all go on and watch the video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So just to reiterate, I'm not wearing gloves because these glosses are not for my business. These are for my own personal use, and I ran out. So yeah, once again, don't come for me. But now I'm gonna put my VersaGel into the bowl, and then I'm gonna add my oils, as you're gonna see here in a minute. And then I'm just gonna add my flavoring oil as well, and then just mix everything together. I do want to come in here and say that I'm an upcoming business owner myself, so I'm just starting out. So I would appreciate it if you guys not ask me my exact measurements, because I probably will ignore you. But yeah, please don't ask me that. And also, like, with finding the tubes, you can go on Amazon, AliExpress, and find any types of tubes. So yeah, I would appreciate if you guys not ask me that anymore. So I did not plan this gloss color, but I did want to do something festive like in the season, so since it is November, I decided to make a gloss that reminded me of November and gave me fall vibes or whatever. So yeah. So that is all for this video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the big thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and also hit that subscribe button right there and the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified of every single time that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.